Understanding Be in the Clear, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, be in the clear. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in. The phrase, be in the clear, means to be free from accusation, danger, or suspicion. It's often used when someone has been under scrutiny or suspicion and is finally found not to be involved in any wrongdoing. Think of it as emerging from a cloud of doubt into a clear, open space where there's no trouble. Interestingly, the origin of be in the clear is somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have nautical or aviation roots. In these contexts, being in the clear meant that a ship or an aircraft was free from nearby hazards. Over time, this term evolved into a metaphor for being free from non-physical dangers, like accusations or suspicions. Let's see how be in the clear is used in everyday language. 1. After the investigation, he was found innocent and is now in the clear. 2. Once you finish paying your debt, you'll be in the clear financially. 3. I thought I might have broken the vase, but since no one noticed, I'm in the clear. These examples show how versatile this phrase is in different contexts. There are several phrases similar to be in the clear in English. For example, off the hook implies being released from a responsibility or trouble. Out of the woods means no longer in danger or difficulty, though it often implies that some risk still remains. Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. That's all about the phrase, be in the clear. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances, and you're doing great. See you in our next video, and keep practicing.